Founded in 1989 in Feng Yuan City, central Taiwan, Lian Dung Electric Wire Material Company Limited has set up production lines in Dungguan, Lian Dung, and Hangzhou Leadership, Dungguan Ya Center, Taiwan Wuli, Dungguan Kailing, to expand the marketing operations, provide speedy services to the global clients, and cater to the general market demand. Lian Dung's main products include AC power cord, cord set, extension cord, plug connector, cable, wire harness. Lian Dung's plugs and cords are widely used in electric appliances, computers, machines, and electronic equipment. Lian Dung and its subsidiaries are certified manufacturers that have obtained numerous national safety regulation certifications, such as UL, CUL, SAA, IRAM, CCC, VDE, BSI, BSMI, PSE, as well as certifications from the 12 EU countries, which extensively covers nearly all the international safety regulation certifications. Looking into the future world and adhering to the attitude of one man sows and another man reaps, our plugs and cords are in line with the environmental requirements such as RoHS and REACH, which help to lessen the burden on the environment and allow successors to reap the fruit of advanced science and technology. In terms of quality and service, Lian Dung holds great pride in its stringent training and careful planning. It is dedicated to the professional field of R&D design and continues to improve its quality policies to provide better quality and strive for innovation. Lian Dung has always done the right thing ever since the beginning. We are an international manufacturer with the ISO 9000 and ISO 14000 certifications. Through advanced power line process quality control operations, we adhere to the highest safety regulation standards and stringent inspections throughout the processes, establishment of comprehensive incoming material inspections, and conduction of finished product tests such as extrusion resistance, aging, sudden pull, lifting, loading, clamping force, temperature rise, pull, drop impact, pressure deformation, lifting extrusion, ground conduction, heat burning wire, electric marks test, X-ray tests, and so on. In terms of improvement of the corporate goals, we have delved into lower costs and shortened time in an endeavor for high-performance resource integration and management, growth of the business management system, and integration of the processes so as to get things done the right way. Lian Dung offers quality products, the most competitive speedy deliveries, and post-sale services to continue to meet customer satisfaction. Lian Dung also quickly responds to customers' demands to meet their needs, making it a competitor of the highest stability. Lian Dung is the best supplier that provides total solutions. It also quickly and comprehensively satisfies your needs. The integrated technical support, quality assurance, standardized processes, and comprehensive post-sale services have made us your most trusted supplier. Because of the customer satisfaction, we now have customers from the 5 continents. Looking ahead, Lian Dung shall increase the customer revenues and engage in market sharing through faster and more flexible plans, despite challenges from global business partners, suppliers, and clients. As a leading enterprise, Lian Dung continues to motivate its staff to head toward achieving the corporate goals and develop a sense of mission. At the same time, innovation-based solution plans shall continue to be developed to accomplish more corporate goals and vision. We have the confidence and strength to meet the needs of more customers through our products of the highest quality.